The Body Craves YouTube channel. The best health benefits that make pumpkin worth eating. Pumpkin has a phenomenal amount of nutrients packed in just 1 cup, such as iron, protein, vitamin A, C, B2 and E, fiber, manganese, potassium, copper, magnesium, folate, and zinc. The antioxidants in pumpkin eliminate harmful bacteria throughout your body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as types of cancers, heart diseases, eye diseases, and other chronic illnesses. The vitamins in pumpkin combat infections, which allows a stronger immune system. The vitamins in pumpkin work to increase healthy white blood cell production. The vitamins in pumpkin also help lower the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, which can protect eyes from sight loss or blindness. Pumpkin seeds are also loaded with vitamin B, E, and K, which aid in better sleep and help fight chronic disease. Pumpkin contains anti-inflammatory properties, support prostate health, support bladder health, stronger bones, and protect skin from sun damage. Pumpkin contains 94% water per cup. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which can help suppress appetite and aid in healthy weight loss. The antioxidants in pumpkin can lower the risk of these cancers: breast cancer, throat cancer, stomach cancer, pancreas cancer, as well as other cancers. The potassium in pumpkin helps lower risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of strokes. The vitamin C in pumpkin boosts collagen, which boosts elasticity of the skin and helps to prevent wrinkles. The pumpkin and its seeds offer a variety of ways to add and enjoy in your healthy diet. Eat pumpkin for the health the body craves. Thank you for craving with us. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a craving. The Body Craves YouTube channel.